What's up, guys? Back with another video. It's been quite a while. I just got this package, so I thought I'd open it on camera for you guys. It's quite hard to do one-handed. Was it? We did it. Okay, so I do believe, if this is what I think it is, the brand new 13th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. So here we have it in its packaging. Let's have a look. It's got the 13th Doctor's TARDIS. It's a bit battered, I will say. Some details on how to do the batteries. Pause the video and stuff if you want to see any of this information. We've got the Doctor Who logo, 13th Doctor's sonic screwdriver, light and sound. A nice view of the Sonic itself. And I'm just going to quickly pause this and open this up. So, yeah. Okay, so we're back. We have it opened up. Here we have the screwdriver itself. It's actually quite heavier than I originally thought. So let me just pop it out of this plastic. Oh, I expected this to be easy to do with one hand. I would have done it without while it was paused if it was. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here we have the Sonic itself. Feels quite nice actually. We'll just get the packaging out of the frame. So yeah, we've got a little pull tab thing on it. So if we pull this, there we go. We now have our functioning Sonic, and I do believe, yeah, it's got touch activation. So you just hold it like that, and it starts working. I don't know how long it stays lit for. Oh, so if I let go. See, okay, so you have to hold it like that, and it should come on. There you go. You got to get it in the right position. So here and here, I do believe. Okay, and the lights are really, really well done. Actually, it's quite bright. Got two buttons. One on the top. The one on the top does nothing. The one on the bottom is the lights and sounds, which I'll get to in a minute. First, we'll go over the detail. So obviously, let's get rid of that. We've got the crystalline top, and it's obviously it was made out of like scrap spoons and stuff in the show. So got nice little like divots and quite well detailed actually. And as we go down, I got one of the better ones. A lot of these are like really wide, split down the seam, but mine's not too bad. So yeah, let's get to the lights and sounds. So you press the button on the bottom, this one. Lights up. It's got a nice like a noise. It's like an activation noise. A lot of the other Sonics didn't have that. And it's got secret sounds, I believe. This is like the FX like scanning sound, I believe, and it just repeats. And I do believe it's got one more. So this is the 11th Doctor's damage one. It was first released in the 11th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. This one does it as well. But it's also got the new activation sound. So yeah, this is really cool to own. It's quite big. I would compare it to another sonic screwdriver, but I don't own one as of yet. But there's another one coming in the post. So yeah. How's we get there? There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!